on, you guys? So today's first stock that we're breaking down is Tesla, or ticker symbol TSLA. I don't have it pulled up yet, so just give me 1 second. If you guys can clearly see that the market is closed for today on Monday. I'm not sure exactly why. I'll have to look into that, but this will be for, obviously for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and dive in. So we're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. So this allows us to see the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. This helps us find our support and resistance lines, our entries, our targets, and all that other good stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in. So Friday we closed down nearly 1%, and then after market, I think this is for after it closed on Friday, we were down another 0.20%. So I wouldn't have to look into the volume right now since we're not open. Usually I do. Usually I tell us the volume and all that other good stuff, but since we are closed, we don't really have to go into that. So that'll be for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and dive into exactly where we're at. Let's first go over our support and resistance lines, and then we'll get into that. So this top line represents our major resistance line, and you can see that we came up multiple times, getting rejected in this area about 4 or 5 times until the 5th time, and then we got rejected all the way down here to our major support line. You can see we bounced from here over here, and we're starting to bounce from over here. Literally, you can see that once we created this breakout, we came up, came back down, and are starting this upward trend. Okay, so you can see that once we were underneath this resistance, we had a lot of trouble breaking past this area about 4 or 5 times as well. I told us that we needed to at least create this breakout at the 596 or the $600 level before looking for an entry, and you can see that we cleared this. We created this breakout, came up, came back down, retested our support level, which is beautiful. That's exactly what we want to see. And we're above the trend line on the RSI. It doesn't look like we're oversold or overbought. It looks perfect. It looks like we're trying to create this upward trend. So as of right now, you guys, we are creating these higher lows. However, we would like to pull back down to maybe the 608 level to create this higher low, and then continue this upward trend. Okay, that would be the best entry that I can say, and you have your stop loss on the opposite side, maybe down at the 590 or the 568, depending on what type of trade you are taking. But overall, you guys, we are in this upward trend. We created this breakout. I don't see any issues with getting in Tesla, especially if you plan on holding long term, as long as you have your mental stop loss below the original support line, which is at the 593 level, you guys. But let's just take it day by day and see what happens. But as of right now, like I said, I don't see any issues with getting into Tesla. Your first target should probably be around the 650, and then your second target being back up at the highest previous point, which is at the $701 level, you guys. So overall, Tesla is looking really good. I like to make my videos really short and sweet and to the point. So if I did that, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday. I do want to give a shout out to my friend. She has her own business, and I love to support everybody's business. Her business name is LA Custom Designs. They design a bunch of different stuff like rolling trays, personal cups, and all these other things. So if you guys want to check them out and support her business, that would be freaking awesome, you guys. I really appreciate it. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I hope we have an amazing trading day tomorrow.